Hi, I'm Dimitri. I'm with OnSign TV, and we're here at InfoComm at Qbic booth to discuss a little bit about our long-term partnership with Qbic and why we choose their players, their media players, when we recommend them to our customers. So, as a CMS company, it is very important to us. There are three things we prioritize. One is, of course, reliability. We want something that's going to not give us any type of headaches in the field. Of course, when you buy a player, you want it to last 5-10 years. So we have a track record with Qbic with almost a decade, and they have proven to be extremely reliable. Second thing we try to look for is performance. That's another thing that we actually are very pleased with. And the other thing is the variety of form factors and outputs so Qbic has now a 3-output media player on Android, which is very rare to find, and it's great for QSR and other applications. And the more basic players that also have HDMI in and other very extensive functionality that works perfectly with OnSign TV. So if you want more information about these products, www.qbictechnology.com.